So we see video after video, tutorial after tutorial that say, this is the one thing you need to get the best sunset photos, the best landscapes, the best everything. And I think they're missing the number one thing. I've seen everything from lens reviews to filters that somebody wants to sell you, to a preset pack, to a LUT, to really everything under the sun that can transform your photography and make you the best and change everything. But I'm gonna tell you right now that none of that matters. Your Lightroom presets don't matter, your LUTs don't matter. And in some cases, really, your gear doesn't matter if you don't have this one thing. And only I can tell, no. And by signing up as a member for my channel, no. So what is the one thing that you absolutely must have no matter what in order to get the best photo ever? Well, let me show you. It's right over here. I promise this shot is level. Behind me is San Diego. I was born and raised here. Before I moved to Las Vegas in my 20s, this was my stomping ground. Right over that way is Coronado and Point Loma, the bridge. Downtown's that way with Petco Park, Mission Bay, Mission Beach, La Jolla, all that way. This is where I grew up. I guess I don't need these anymore. Right now I'm on top of Presidio Park. I love this place. I love it here. It's beautiful, and honestly, it's kind of magical. And the key to getting amazing sunsets, amazing landscape shots, really amazing anything, is to be here. Now, I don't mean you have to be here in San Diego. I don't even live here. This is one of the most expensive cities to live in the United States. But being in a place that you love makes it easy to make art, to create, and just to make amazing things. But the other part of that is that you actually have to be there. You have to be there for sunset. You have to be there for sunrise. See, I came up here because I knew that we might be getting a pretty decent sunset tonight. And I've been up here a number of times, especially as a teenager driving around town looking for trouble to get into. I thought that sunset would look beautiful through these pillars. So I came up here and I took the shot. See, I am constantly besieged by self-confidence issues that tell me that I don't know enough, that I'm not good enough, that I don't have the inspiration necessary to get the photos and to make them look as good as other people. I have that every day. And I know that a lot of people who are artists and creatives have that same problem. And to this day, sometimes I think to myself, if I was better at editing, or if I had a better lens, or if I had the right whatever, I could be as good as so-and-so. And so I'm internally always struggling with myself about just go and be there, and you'll be happy you were there, regardless of how it comes out, because you tried. So the number one bit of advice that I thought I could give you, because honestly it's the number one bit of advice that I give myself, I just have to go, I have to be there, I have to think about the place that I'm at, and I have to want to make it amazing. And if I do that, well, it doesn't always come out right, but I feel better about it, and I know that I'm gonna be better the next time I try, because I'm gonna try again next time. But every time I think about that, I think, man, do I know enough? Am I good enough? Do I have the gear? And then I gotta remember it doesn't matter. I just gotta go there. I gotta be there, I gotta be in the place. And if I do that, I can't lose. I don't have anything to sell, just an idea, just go. We had a good sunset tonight. I'm glad I was here. I'll see you next time.